Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Some exciting news in this video. I can barely contain myself. Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale will be starting this Saturday, June the 1st. So on Friday, May the 31st, you're probably going to start seeing stuff in the app or get an email and say, hey, here's a secret. We're starting our semi-annual sale that typically runs for about a month. This is the start date that's been floating all around the internet. What I really recommend if you want the deepest savings is to shop at an outlet and try and get out there that first weekend or first week. It seems like at Christmas time they had a bunch of weird stuff, week 2, week 3, week 4, no great shakes, but that first week, man, the candles that were cheap, $2 tables at these outlets, that's where you can really find a lot of magic. If you might live near an outlet, definitely check it out. It is worth your time. For one IBOTTA gift card, I pretty much can get a table of stuff at the semi-annual sale at an outlet. So it's definitely worth the drive and your time if you might have one. The next thing we're going to talk about, as this is a couponing channel, is the IBOTTA rebate app. I love this app, and if you might have a couple dollars in your account, I believe you can get a $25 or $50 Bath & Body Works gift card, so you don't even have to open up your wallet for this event. If you're going to use your IBOTTA gift card, I mean, that's just an alternative, so you're not spending beaucoup bucks. Also, keep your eye out in the mail or in the My Bath & Body Works app for this 10 off 40. It's starting to show up. Mine showed up today. This one's obviously from last winter, but definitely I love how these are preloaded to your My Bath & Body Works app, so you can have extra savings, and it's so convenient. It's right on your phone on the app, and it's an extra $10 off a $40 purchase. It's the same one this year, so how lovely is that? Now, in the past, I usually get a table like this. I usually go for about $100, and then I'm always looking for big savings. I love 75% off. At the outlets, sometimes I've even seen up to 90% off, which is just like, your price is right moment. But I love these cheat sheets. I've seen candles for like $6.12 and the $3 single wicks, which are really nice. Sale only takes place twice a year, and we're probably going to see a lot of Christmas candles in this one, I'm thinking. Next month, they aggressively want to get rid of everything, and 75%, when you could start seeing stuff like that, pairing it with coupons, it's the way to go. I really recommend for you to go through your inventory if you're a collector, or if I need hand soap. How many do you have left? So you're just not going into the store and buying everything and anything, because sometimes, when there's a big group of people and people are like clearance shopping and there's bins, it can be overwhelming where you're grabbing everything and anything, and you're not really paying attention to what you're buying, and you turn around and say, well, why did I buy so much perfume mist? I'm just one person. And then you're just like, what did I do? And this is my haul from last year, and I gift a lot of this stuff, so that's why I go so heavy with it. But yeah, I really went crazy with certain items. And if you really don't have it in your budget to try certain perfumes or to have certain like hand soaps, because I mean $7-8 or $16-17 for some of these sprays, that's expensive. So when you can get them, for $3 or $4, that's definitely the way to do it with a coupon and Ibotta. I mean, it's magic. And if you have not signed up for Ibotta, check out the link in the notes. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, I think you get like a $10 bonus or something like that with my coupon code. Even these lotions, I mean, they're great to have in your purse, in the car, it's just great. And I love any sort of scrubs and these bubble baths too. They're just fantastic. And the single wick candles, I love to get them for $3. There is nothing better than that. I like to gift to all my neighbors at Christmas time, and this shows that you really care and you really made an effort. And the last piece of advice I can give you is to shop early. So if you can head out this Saturday, this weekend, or early next week, you're probably going to get the best deals on the candles and the soap. And I know that's what a lot of us go for. And it's just because for whatever reason, their semi-annual sale last winter, it lost momentum after the first week. This sale is also taking place in-store and online. But if you're near an outlet, go to the outlet. It's totally worth it. That's it for this video. In the comments down below, let me know what you're going to be looking for in the semi-annual sale. Myself, It's candles and hand soap, and I cannot wait to dig through these bins. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.